Hey everyone, so today I wanted to some of these nude metallic colors. I forgot to put on my primer. I put this is an old Mary Kay, but it's taupe. Glides on, but the color doesn't really come out that well. It's an eye crayon, but I love the color. And we're gonna start with this pretty metallic color right there. Kind of taupey to me, that's why I like it. See, I really love that color, it's so taupe. Taupe is one of my favorite colors. It's the colors, the makeup I wore for my wedding was taupes and champagnes. You like? And I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's all very metallic-y, but it's what I want to do today. I'm gonna go with this color for the highlight, the brow highlight. And then I'm gonna use this color right here for the inner corners. I'm gonna be using this one. I'm probably gonna use the gold and then that color and then this for my contour. So let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone. So this is the finished look. I used the nude lipstick from the collection. I don't like Mondays. That's what I did for that. My hair is growing, the roots are growing out fast. I'm thinking about just bleaching the whole hair and using the dyes differently, like just do the front in yellow and back purple, and then the next time, pink and green, something, and then, the next time orange and blue, whatever. Yeah, and then I'm just thinking about not really dyeing my hair anymore, just letting it grow naturally. Look at all the silver that's coming out. So yeah, that's that about that.